Hey guys, this is Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome grape cutter that I have here. As you can see, it cuts the grapes into 4 slivers. So this is great for if you have toddlers. Grapes are a not so safe fruit for them to eat whole. Even as they grow, their airways just aren't big enough to swallow the whole grape. So this is great because it puts my mama heart at ease because it just so easily slices them. It's serrated inside here. You pop the grape in, you press down, and you have sliced grapes. So easy, makes life way more convenient than taking out the knife, taking out the cutting board, and chopping them up and making sure that they're all even and all the things. So I really like it because it comes with this cover here as well. A nice feature too is that it all comes apart, so it makes for very easy cleaning. The top comes off here, and then each piece here, so you can fully clean the whole thing, which is great, and it just really makes our lives a lot easier. So I love it, and that is my point of view.